Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder, Kazuga!
What? No friend of mine will stay in a hotel in my village. You will stay with my...
Aku sudah bekerja keras, tapi ternyata tidak berhasil. Padahal latihannya menang.
I hereby dub the...
Oh, thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was... Hey! Vito!
¡Aquí recto! ¡Ya es suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
It was through St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy cloud.
this?
Hey, man.
Jeff! Hey, Lightning! Can you believe this park?
Halo semuanya.
Halo Gani.
Oh, Gani.
My life, when I started Miss Fritter's racing school, and I can.
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the dining coach.
Since then, he sold his oil fortune, converted himself from a gas guzzler into an electric car, and is devoted.
Fast as Storm. But you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
That Francesco is fine.
And those open wheels.
Oh, man, that's just great.
Hey, what's wrong?
My lucky sticker's all dirty.
Oh, nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
Het spooklicht kan overal zijn. Wel te rusten!
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot Todoroki!
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Strategia. Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen.
Mau lihat sesuatu yang lucu?
Living life in the fast lane.
Oh, you were you? Were you rich?
Did I forget to mention that it can only be disarmed by the one who activated it?
Say it.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat it.
Kira-kira berapa banyak ya sisa permohonan ulang tahun ajaibku? Aku sangat bersenang-senang sampai aku...